Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is EthanDiiulio and this is my 1983 Mark II Toyota Supra. Sorry again for not uploading last week. I wasn't even here to work on the car, so there really wouldn't have been anything for me to upload. We really haven't gotten too much done since I've been home, but as you saw in the title, the wheels are here and I'm super excited because they look amazing and I don't know, they just look so good. Stick around for next week's video because next week there are a lot of big things happening. The whole front of the car is going to look completely different next week. It should be here next week, so we're going to get all that done. I'm thinking we're going to throw almost all the interior back into the car, and then we're probably going to send the car towards the end of next week off to the paint shop to get it painted. As for sanding and bodywork goes, it's almost done. I did a bunch in this video, you will see that. And also, happy 4th of July to every single one of you. Stick around to the end of this video to see our 4th of July, our fireworks show. We do this little competition with the people down the shore from us where we go for the 4th of July. They shoot off a bunch of fireworks and we shoot off a bunch of fireworks, and it's always really cool. So stick around for that at the end of this video. Thank you all for sticking around, and let's get right into this video. I really hope you enjoy. Alright, what I'm going to do right now is mix up some body filler so we can start filling the trim holes. And also so we can start filling in the damage that we uncovered and all the cracks over here. Start filling all that in. Not the cleanest job, but I got the first coat on there and I'm gonna wait a little bit and then sand it all down. Right, it is a little messy, but I have all of the holes with at least some body filler on it. I'm probably gonna have to go over some of them again. Got all these dents over here with some body filler on it. There's a couple more spots that I need to get that I haven't gotten to yet. And back here I also worked on filling some dents. Because back here there's a couple significant dents in the hatch, but it's not too bad. We are going to begin the sanding process. Alright, so I went over well, at least this side in the hatch with the sander, and then I added a little bit more. I almost have this body line over here perfect. There's a little divot in the top of it. I think you can see it there. I do have to fix that, but overall it's going pretty good. Everything is smoothing out very well. It is pretty hot out today, so this is some tough work, but the door is good. This is somewhat getting there. It's this main piece right here that it's kind of hard to mess with because it's just in such a weird spot, but other than that, it's going pretty good. Got a couple dents on the hatch fixed. I got this one fixed, and everything's getting smoothed out. Still gotta bring the sander over here, but I'm taking a break right now because it's like 90 degrees in here, so yeah. Alright, I'm going to try and finish sanding all of this side and see where we're at. I don't know if I'm going to need to use any more body filler on this side. I do know that I have to fix this line right here a little bit more. But other than that, it should be good. I am going to have to add a little bit more up here. I'm going to finish sanding the deck lid. And then over here, I just got to finish up sanding this and then maybe put some more body filler over here. So when we get to that, probably won't record too much of it, just 'cause it's a lot of long work. But I'll get back to you guys once I finish. Alright, so I finished filling part of this side and I sanded down the door and some of this over here with some 400 grit sandpaper. As you can see, I have the flare on here just because I'm trying to see where the line of it is. I do have to add a little bit more body filler in down here, but that's the only part that I have to add. Over here I have to sand a little bit more, but it's coming along. Door right here is just done. It's mostly done over here. All of these areas are good. This back area over here is good. The trunk, all these dents are filled in, they're fixed. The only thing we have to do now is fill these holes in around it, which that shouldn't be too bad. This side is still a work in progress. I still have to add some body filler down here where we made the patch for the rust, and add it in a couple more trim holes and then sand it down with 400. But other than that, it's almost there. Probably going to take the exhaust off later so we can fix that quarter, and then we're going to build a new quarter over here. Hopefully get another one built over there soon too. Also, I am working on the dash over here a little bit. Just got to sand these down a little bit more just so the edges are more flush, and then I have some Bondo glass and some padded dash filler. Should get this thing fixed up by the end of this week and hopefully have it back into the car by next week's video, so that'll be pretty cool. Just gotta sand it a little bit more just to make sure these areas are nice and flush, and then we'll fill it and get it done. Alright, so the wheels are here. I've seen pictures of them. I have not seen them in person yet, which I'm really excited about because they look crazy so far. So here they are. Guys, these things look so freaking cool. Now I just got to clean up my tires because right now my tires are kind of trashy, but that'll be pretty easy to clean up. But the tires, the wheels themselves, they look amazing. The camera doesn't even do it justice, but in person these look so good. I'll get some better shots of them, but yeah, the camera doesn't really show it very well, but these look amazing. Taking the door off. Ringing. Here's the door, guys. There's the foam. It expanded a lot because it does that. Outside of the car edition. That didn't sound. Alright, it's time to wrap up this week's video. I really hope you enjoy. I'm sorry it wasn't longer, but next week is going to be big. A lot of stuff happening up here, a lot of stuff happening in there. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy weekend for me, but it's gonna be getting the Supra pretty much ready for paint, and it is almost done. I'm super excited. We're almost to that first drive video. We're almost there. I'm so excited. I cannot freaking wait to drive this car, guys. But yeah, thank you for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, I guess this isn't really the end of the video because I'm going to show you a bunch of fireworks stuff, but this is the end of this part of the video, and then I'll just show you the 4th of July. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great week. I will see you all next week. Bye. Have a great rest of your week. Here's some fireworks. Alright. As you can see, there are a bunch of fireworks in front of you. This is for the 4th of July. I have these groups set up for different waves of fireworks. So here's how we're gonna go. We're gonna start out over here, making everyone think that we're a joke with these little crappy fireworks. And then we're gonna move over here to some small stuff. Then we're gonna go bam, bam. These two big waves of fireworks. And then over here, grand finale of There's craziness. But yeah, this should be a pretty cool fireworks show. I'm gonna film the whole thing for you guys. Just want to say thank you for sticking around for all the Supra content. Supra should be done pretty soon. I really hope you enjoy it, and I really hope you had a great 4th of July. Sorry there wasn't a video next week, but let's get some fireworks going.
This can't be the best.
Those are legal New York fireworks.